Welcome artists to the most wonderful time of year, where we get to spend a little extra time with friends and family. This video demonstrates just that with a group of snowmen at play. The materials you'll need to draw your snowmen friends are a pencil and eraser, a white paper cut into a square, Sharpies, colored pencils, or whatever you want to color with, scissors, and a ruler. Before we begin, we're going to want to measure our paper so that we can cut it into a square. Mine is roughly 8.5 inches by 11. Again, we just want to get an estimate to be able to cut it into that square shape. So I'm going to draw two little tick marks at 8.5, line up my ruler, draw a straight line down, next, grab your scissors and just cut along that line that you just drew. To begin our snowman at play, we need to draw 4 curved lines in each corner of our paper. I like to just lightly or gently sketch in these curved lines, just to make sure I get the size and proportion that I'm looking for. Now that we're done with those 4 curved lines for our snowman's bodies, we are going to then create our snowman's head. We are going to do this by essentially creating just a smaller curved line or a semicircle in the middle and on top of each of those curved lines. I'm going to draw one on each curved line. You can start anywhere, and again, I like to just gently sketch these in. We'll go back and darken up the lines in just a moment. Next, in order to create your snowman's arms and hands, just use a series of diagonal lines and straight lines to make them look sort of tree or branch-like. Now, time for the very best part, where you get to add a little personality to each of your snowmen by creating unique characteristics and details, and then adding some fun embellishments to make them winter festive with scarves and hats and any other decoration that your little artist mind can think of. Now, in the negative space or space surrounding my subject matter or my snowman, I'm going to draw varying sizes of simple circles to represent snow falling. You can feel free to add any kind of snowflake pattern you would like. Now that I've finished drawing my snowmen at play and all of their fun and festive details, it's time to trace them with both my fine tip and extra fine tip Sharpies. That just helps with the varying lines to create a little bit of extra visual interest. After I'm done tracing, I'm going to grab my colored pencils and begin coloring in all of my snowman's details. Don't forget to try to include a little value. Once you're finished coloring in all of your decorative details, it's time for the sky. I like to always use a variety of blues, teals, and purples to make my sky look a little bit more realistic and to have some visual interest. Once you're finished with the sky, grab a gray and begin to color a shadow on the left side of each of your snowmen. This just helps give your snowman a little bit more three-dimensional quality. Well done, my most amazing artist. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and I hope that just like these fun and festive snowmen, you get to spend the holidays with some of the friends and family that are most beloved to you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and have a joyful holiday season.